Next, good morning students. I'm going to next Proton's rules. What it was explain entropy of vaporization concept. Entropy of vaporization concept. Now, what is meant by Proton's rule? It says that entropy of a vaporization most of the liquids is 88 plus or minus joule for mole Kelvin at normal boiling point is called Proton's rule. Now, this rule also can be explained rough estimate the heat of vaporization. And see one example: H2 water and ethanol. They are having large enthalpies because of large enthalpy of vaporization. Because of this, liquids are more ordered due to reason is what is the reason why they are more ordered? That is due to their extensive hydrogen bonding, which is the variant in the molecule. Always it is increases. If it is increases, the molecular order also increases. This is the reason. Is a more ordered. This is the reason. It is a more vaporization. There is a reason. Now in this case, now after this one, we'll discuss that is entropy of fusion. Entropy of fusion. Entropy of fusion for a process. See, reaction is a liquid changed into liquid, solid changed into liquid, solid state changed into liquid. They are in the equilibrium. In this one, change in entropy for a fusion is equal to enthalpy of fusion by temperature and melting point. In this case, delta H is heat required to convert. The enthalpy is required. Heat of fusion, that means the heat required to convert 1 mole of solid at constant temperature and constant pressure into liquid is called as heat of enthalpy of fusion into entropy of fusion. Heat of fusion also. Now, enthalpy of fusion is equal to enthalpy of liquid is always more than entropy. Change in entropy of fusion is equal entropy of liquid is more than entropy of solid. That is a change. Means liquid to solid to liquid. That is that one. It is a more than this one, and we can write as entropy of liquid is more than entropy of solid. Now, change in enthalpy of fusion is always greater than 0. Then we can write as change in entropy of fusion greater than 0 is entropy liquid already we know is more than entropy of solid is. This is a very important. These statements are, they are asking theoretical question on this area in NEET or IIT exam. Next one I am going to explain, that is entropy and probability. Entropy and probability. The system always tend to move spontaneously. The state of maximum randomness or disorderness, because of the state is more probable than the disorderness. State is more probable than ordered state. It is achieved more always. An Australian scientist, that is a physics scientist, that is Ludwig Boltzmann, proposed that entropy of a particles, entropy of particular state is related to the number of ways, that is represented by symbol is n. This achieved by equation was given, that is the standard equation. Entropy is equal to K is the Kelvin temperature log n. Now here K is equal to, we can write as the Boltzmann constant 1.381 into 10 power minus 3 joule for Kelvin. And this is also, we can write value like R by N naught also. Next one we can write one more, that is we can write standard molar entropies. There's one more, that is a standard molar enthalpy. It is the entropy, standard molar enthalpy. That is, in this concept they are given the standard enthalpy means we can get the standard conditions. Standard condition like 1 atmosphere pressure and absolute temperature, that is temperature 25 degrees Celsius, and 1 atmosphere is the 1 mole of pure substance is changed into product. Now here in this case we can write, that is a standard entropy, change in standard entropy is equal to standard entropy of product minus standard entropy of reactants. This is a formula we can use. For the entropy of the particles.